Hey guys, what's up? Santino here. We just protected my M4 with ClearPlex. We have 2 layers on there, IR and then the normal layer, so we have about 80% heat rejection, 80 to 100% heat rejection. So it'll be good for when I drive back down to Florida. It's about 1,300 miles. I'll have 0 rock chips in my windshield. I won't have to replace it. Worst case scenario, I just pull the top layer and I still have 1 more to go. I use ClearPlex for all of my road cars on and off the track. So I love the material. It's really a lifesaver on so many fronts, and you know, I also love the way it gives visibility, so it doesn't warp anything in the windshield. It's super clear and you don't even notice it on the car.